So in the previous video, we were able to create an automatic counter with a button that increases the count, and the count will increase the total because they are all related. I decided to take the counter a step further by adding several more features. First, I decided to add more entries, like you can see. So you have several more buttons also. And we have several buttons here. We have a reset and a print button, and I also added a total. So everything here is automatic. If I increase the count for the rice, you definitely can see what's happening. I can increase anything. For the reset button, in case maybe you are done with your first customer, and instead of deleting everything here, putting everything to 0 like that, you can just click on reset button and everything will be reset to 0. Now you can serve your next customer. Let's say, for example, this is the customer and you want to print a receipt for them. You can just click on print and a pop-up for the printer will come, and the printer will print exactly what you have on our screen. That's very interesting. I have a detailed video on this, how you can be able to make exactly this, or if you want to access the file itself, I'm going to link in my YouTube video description. So first of all, like this video, then go to my BIOS, click on the YouTube icon, it will take you to my YouTube, then watch this video. So go to the description of that video, you're going to find a link to this document, you're going to download this exactly as is. Now, after you're done watching, make sure you like the video, then subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also make sure you ring the notification bell because I have a lot lined up. Very interesting things are coming your way, so make sure you do that.